During Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call, CFO Vaibhav Taneja made a striking announcement.
We think our strategy of providing the best product at a competitive price is going to be a winner, and this is the reason we're still focused on bringing cheaper models to market soon. The start of production is still planned for June.
While Tesla hasn't confirmed the model's name, the EV world is buzzing with certainty. This is the long-awaited Tesla Model 2, potentially priced around $12,000. If this pricing holds, it could completely change the American auto landscape, making electric vehicles truly accessible, from retirees to first-time car buyers. But how will Tesla pull this off, and why is this new model so revolutionary? Stay tuned as we break down Tesla's most ambitious production plan yet. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and help us hit 40K subs. Tap the bell icon so you never miss the next big thing in the EV world. 1. What did Elon Musk reveal in the Q1 2025 earnings call? Tesla's updated strategy focuses on delivering the best EVs at mass market pricing. While the new model's name wasn't disclosed, insiders and analysts agree it's the Tesla Model 2, a compact, low-cost electric car that could debut at just $12,000. This aligns with Tesla's vision of democratizing EV ownership, targeting middle-class consumers and lower-income families who've been priced out of the market. Although Tesla hasn't officially shared where production will take place, multiple leaks and supplier activities point to 3 gigafactories leading the charge. Giga, Texas, the likely launch site for early production due to its modern setup and proximity to Tesla HQ. Analysts predict an annual output of up to 300,000 units by late 2025. Giga, Mexico, Tesla's latest and most cost-efficient facility, could eventually reach 1 million units annually thanks to low labor costs and favorable trade logistics. Giga, Berlin, while not confirmed, recent investments suggest it may support European Model 2 production by 2026, potentially adding 300,000 units per year. The Model 2 will be Tesla's first car built on its all-new next-gen EV platform, designed for speed, scale, and affordability. A key breakthrough is the unboxed manufacturing method, which assembles large modular parts together rather than using a traditional assembly line. Combined with gigacasting, using massive die-casting machines to create large structural parts, these methods are expected to cut production costs by up to 50% compared to the Model 3. Which factory will build the most Model 2s? Type Texas, Mexico, or Berlin in the comments. 2. Why Giga, Texas and Giga, Mexico will lead Model 2 production? Giga, Texas is leading Tesla's production overall, thanks to its advanced layout and next-gen manufacturing processes. At the heart of this transformation is the unbox process, which builds the front, rear, and battery sections separately before snapping them together in one final assembly, removing over 1.3 kilometers of assembly line. This reduces plant size needs by more than 55%, and internal estimates show it lowers production costs by 42% and labor hours per vehicle by over 60% compared to the Model 3. By early 2026, Tesla plans to ramp up Giga, Texas to produce over 10,000 Model 2s weekly, aiming for 500,000 plus vehicles per year. This is supported by Giga Casting 2.0, featuring 9,000-ton presses that replace hundreds of parts with single large castings. Assembly time could drop to just 25 minutes per vehicle, versus the 8 to 10 hours needed for a Model 3. Its Austin location is also strategic. Over 60% of the U.S. population is within 2 days of trucking distance, cutting delivery costs by up to 30%. Tesla also plans to expand the site to support AI, robotics, and battery production by 2027. Meanwhile, Giga, Mexico is shaping up to be Tesla's most powerful cost-cutting weapon. Expected to go live in late 2025 or early 2026, this plant could build up to 1 million Model 2s per year, almost half of Tesla's global 2027 target of 2.5 million next-gen vehicles. The key: labor costs. In Mexico, skilled labor averages $3.50 per hour compared to $23 per hour in the U.S., a 70% reduction. The facility is also optimized from the ground up for the Model 2's unique assembly process, enabling 24/7 automation with minimal human involvement. Its proximity to Texas and direct rail access to U.S. markets like California, Texas, and Florida gives Tesla a logistics edge, cutting shipping costs by up to 35%. Supported by the USMCA trade agreement and generous Mexican incentives, Giga Mexico could become the most efficient EV factory in the world. By splitting Model 2 production between Texas and Mexico, Tesla achieves a perfect balance of speed, scale, and savings, preparing for global demand while keeping prices low. Musk's ultimate goal? Building 5 million Model 2s per year under $15,000, making EVs as common as smartphones. Do you think legacy automakers can keep up with this pace? Drop Tesla wins in the comments if you think it's game over for the competition. 3. How will Tesla keep the Model 2 under $12,000? The Model 2's affordability starts with its battery chemistry. Tesla is moving away from traditional lithium-ion cells and embracing sodium-sulfur batteries. Sodium carbonate costs only $300/400/ton compared to lithium carbonate's $20,000/30,000/ton. Sulfur, another core material, is widely available at under $100 per ton. This battery shift could reduce costs by 40%, bringing Tesla's battery cell cost down to $90 per kilowatt hour, far below the 2024 average of $137 per kilowatt hour. For a 40 kilowatt hour pack, that means a total battery cost under $3,600 with a potential 350-mile range. Tesla is also localizing its supply chain, sourcing sodium from U.S. and Chilean reserves and sulfur from domestic oil refining, reducing logistics costs and avoiding tariffs from U.S. and EU regulators. Tesla is rethinking battery integration too. The Model 2 will use a structural battery pack, integrating cells directly into the chassis, improving strength and crash safety while cutting weight and costs. Other innovations include a shift from 12-volt to 48-volt electrical systems, cutting wiring weight by 66% and improving efficiency. A new rare earth-free motor design, avoiding costly and politically sensitive materials like neodymium, which have doubled in price recently. A software-first cabin, eliminating knobs and buttons in favor of touchscreen controls, cutting cockpit component costs by 50% and reducing wiring from 3 kilometers to just 1.2 kilometers. These changes make the Model 2 not only more affordable but smarter, stronger, and cheaper to maintain. Final thoughts. Tesla's innovative strategy, from reimagined factories to next-gen batteries, is coming together to create the most affordable EV ever. The Model 2 could become the blueprint for truly accessible, clean transportation worldwide. Do you think the Model 2 will change the game for good? Comment Model 2 below if you believe this is the EV we've all been waiting for. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in EV news and innovation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.